Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, make a YouTube video.
Hey guys, Last Dog Murder here, and today we are showing off the map that me and russ9929 made. Hi.
Make the video.
I'm already making it, which is why I hung up.
Yeah, okay.
Okay guys, so this is the spawn. There we go. This is the spawn. As you can see, we did detail to the roof. It's gotta be like a remake of, I believe they called it Rust or something. Or something like that. He made this. It's like you can take this route. Hey there. Or you can take this route. You have to parkour to get away from that. Then you can parkour around, climb up the ladder, jump, jump, jump. Jump these three, do some ladder parkour, jump over here. By the way, he made most of the parkour. I just made the rocket ship, and I used World Edit to make the floors and stuff. And also I helped with most of the redstone. That. Yeah, we had a bit of trouble with lava earlier, so yeah, we're fixing that problem right now. There's also some traps. I made most of the traps in this. Does that even open the door? Oh yeah, it opens the door. Wait for everything to subside. Okay, there we go. We made a ton of traps. Well, I made most of the traps. He came up with some of the ideas for like what to put in the traps. I made this rocket. He made a trap in it. He made all of the parkour. He also made that little viewing area right there. Then also up the staircase, there is this. Then secret area. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. By the way, we are using a bucket server, but we don't have the MC infected loaded yet. So if that's a problem, I'm sorry. I guess. Trying to fill that out. Okay, there we go. He made this parkour to a little area with Bob. Dun, 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 dun. Parkour made by him. Map made by both of us. He misspelled my name. It's capital D and capital M. And who cares? And he messed up the lava. Unless he means for it. No, he just messed it up. I thought he meant like, oh hey, by the way, there's a secret over here. Yeah. Then there's also the tiny hole. Oh, also we made a web room. Why you cover web room? Oh, because it's over here. Okay. Okay, so he just moved it. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, you have to parkour to this web room. And if I can make the parkour, it's pretty easy parkour. It's sad but true. Yeah, that's, I think, all. Oh, right, we've got hay bales as the walkways, and also, wait for it, the boundaries for the map are hay bale. Like, if you see a wall of hay bales, you know you're at the boundary. The players won't be able to break blocks anyway, so we don't really need to worry about that. And look what we have like that. Yeah, this is the spawn area. Like, you're gonna spawn here, then you have to run through the tunnels and stuff. You put a few torches around the place. Glowstone. That. And we've even got some skylights. Or whatever they're called. Oh, then we used up there for the, like, making of the parkour and stuff. So, if you want to delete the stuff up there, that's fine. Other than that, that's all. Oh! In this room, there's a trap. Why do you move it down? What the heck? Oopsie daisies. This isn't gonna work. Screw it. Okay, guys, hope you all enjoy. See y'all next time. Peace!